Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I hope you're feeling great. Listen, life is good, life is great. And if it's not for you, well, I hope everything turns around. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, I bought Kaspa at pretty much 14 cents, slightly higher. I called it out in my Discord, right? I pretty much believe that this is going to be the relative bottom, right? If we were to drop, it's going to be somewhere in the details of pretty much this candle here, right? Somewhere in here, there might be some kind of order block, maybe like a 30-minute, 15-minute. But overall, I do believe, buying over here is really, really good. Now, obviously, right? Buying lower down here, here would have been much better, but I wasn't in Caspa before. And I mean, I had a small bag, but now I got a bigger bag in there. And listen, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you something, right? Right? So you can be reinvesting in a coin near its bottoms all the time. Let's say you hypothetically dollar cost average $100 each time. The amount doesn't matter, right? But let's say it's the same amount each time, right? The trick is, right? This sounds crazy. The trick is to try to buy near the bottoms. So throughout your Caspa journey, if you were buying like here, here, right? Not every purchase is going to be perfect. Like here, here, here. Maybe you bought somewhere down here. Maybe you bought somewhere up here. Maybe a little bit here. Maybe a little bit here. Maybe a little bit here, right? Depending on, how much money you're spending, how often you're doing it, right? If you bought it near the bottom, and like let's say right now, you're going to be getting a great dollar cost average, right? Especially if it's the same amount of money. Yes, of course, eventually your average floor is going to be getting higher and higher, but so is the crypto price, right? Let's say if I hypothetically put in $100 in all of these positions, right? Right? Some of these positions right now would be pretty much up 10x, 11x actually, right? While, some of these positions, like let's say this one, would be down 9%. But that is fine because I have so many positions in heavy, heavy profits, so many positions in nice profits, so many positions in profits, and a couple positions either small loss or break even because I know anyways in the near future we are going to be expanding up and up and up. And look, this is very, very powerful under the right context, right? If you know the market is in an uptrend and we have altcoin season around the corner, you can do this, right? Because this is bad once the bear season takes over, right? And I ain't talking about when, we have confirmation bias of the bear season, Bitcoin dropping down 70%, whatever. I mean, when it's the early days of, the bear season around, right? And you keep buying these lows that never really, recover, then you're going to be losing because that's under different context. But under this context, you can be buying near the lows, right? You could be doing that. And to be honest, I don't know about you guys, but maybe personally, if I knew Casp was going to hit $1, right, just for the easy scenario, right? I said dollar is realistic for Casp, but like let's say very, very realistic. My maximum dollar cost average would probably be around like the 40 cents because then I could probably get like 2.5 times my money, which is still great. But at that point, you're just going to be risking more and more and more and more. You don't really want to lose, right? Obviously, you can just keep going and going and going. But as you know, right? A lot of you guys don't know technical analysis, and technical analysis could be tricky sometimes. So you don't want to be, accidentally, dollar cost averaging near the tops and then start selling off, and then, all these positions are going to be minor losses, right? They'll still obviously, you still obviously make a lot of money, but at one point you do just want to cut it off completely. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am so damn excited. As you know, I think Casper is going to go to a couple bucks. Obviously, there is two variables. One, how much money there is, and two, what the technical analysis shows in the future. Anyways, if you love Caspa, just like I do, make sure to subscribe, and snipers, I'll see you later.